Oh, whew, what a photo shoot. As you can see the fit. Come out very strong. Baby,
Yes.
how was it?
It was perfect. You know, she
Perfect.
knew what she was doing, and I can't wait to see the editing pictures.
Yes, you know we are going to see that. So, you know you can view those on Instagram when we post it at Tami, so make sure you follow. And guys, on the veranda, trust me, yeah, it's a beautiful day. We have more things to do, so just keep on watching. Bye. Ooh.
This is what you be flying over.
Mm-hmm. Morning, babe. Hi, morning. Morning. Good morning.
Anything else for you? No. Just one spoon.
Breakfast time, guys. Morning.
Morning.
Morning. Morning to kill. Oh my. Morning. Morning, Omar.
I'm going to be on TV.
It depends. What parish are you from?
Uh-oh. Let me know. I'm from St. Anne.
Oh, not bad. Not
Yeah.
bad. Yeah.
That's good?
Yeah.
From
That's good.
Jamaica?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah.
So, which part?
Ochi.
Oh, me
Oh.
too. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, right place.
Right place.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool, cool. So, where are you so far?
No.
Nothing, we just reach. Eat.
Just eat
No, but first time on this ship.
on this one. Okay, which one have you been before?
Different brand, Carnival.
Oh, so first time on a real ship.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Real food, right?
Yeah, first time on an a la class ship, man. First time on a top level ship, man.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, man. So you have a vlog or what?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah?
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube? What's it? Maybe I'll follow you.
Tami
I
Winkle.
subscribe. Tamalinko?
Tami Winkle. Tami.
Oh, Tami.
Winkle. Winkle.
Winkle?
Yeah.
Oh, Tami Winkle.
Yeah.
Alright, let me get some internet and go look for it.
Alright, I appreciate it.
Yeah, man. Man, pick me up my blog,
Well,
eh?
let me show your face then,
Yeah,
Omar.
man.
Come
Omar,
through.
Omar, yeah, Omar
Right,
from
let's-
St. Anne, man.
Up
Coaching.
top, right,
Yeah,
let's go.
bless.
Bless.
Alright, cool. Alright, enjoy, huh?
Alright, bless up.
Almost the same thing.
Yeah, morning.
Hello, good morning. How are we
Good
doing?
morning. We're doing good. Okay, guys, so breakfast settings. New fruits. Give me energy. Right, that's all. So you don't know the grade tea. Right, that's what she. Can't let it out. Not really the original, but it will work. Peppermint. Alright guys, lunchtime. So this is what I'm having. Chicken wrap, barbecue ribs, shrimp, bread pudding, mac and cheese, chicken salad with Italian dressing. I think they have a ham sandwich, Brussels sprouts, orange juice. It's a beautiful day.
Can I get a
And this is the view. I know. Beautiful. Dessert. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. here with the great tiramisu. They said this is better than the one in Italy, so we will see. Not that we can compare it, I've never tried one in Italy before.
She is gone off to do her own thing. Thank you. Thank you. Hi. So I will have my wife coming in. Thank you.
So lunch was amazing. That tiramisu, the dessert. Yeah, that's the bomb. You guys should try it. And the ribs. Woo, sweet ribs. Love that.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Good. Really good.
Yeah.
And that stuff yet. But soon. Soon I feel my belly.
Yes. And right now we're just at chill. We have a lot going on tonight. We have some plans, so you know you'll see that. And we're just stepping around and going chill. Check out the view. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try out the tuna wrap. Made it a corned beef sandwich and God know me like but may I eat this first guys. Yeah. And of course the great chicken tenders. Yeah. I'm not a chicken fan. More chicken tenders, yep. Watermelon. And hot dog. Yep, it's over. And of course the view is everything. Guys, look on the water. Very blue and pretty. This looks like the Jamaican water to Rati. Right, that's so Caribbean Sea. So we're reaching the Bahamas. That's the land. Got a ship over there, so yeah, we take a look at time at Chico, you know. Almost there. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Remember to turn your post notification bell on so you can be notified every time we drop a new video. And also follow me at Tami Shae. And do remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Ice cream. Well, these are gelatos. Oh. So good. Alright, ice cream over here. Let's see. Toppings. Ooh. Nice. Good looking. Alright, we got our ice cream. There we got our ice cream. Yes. Ice. Guys, I just sleep and wait, so. Funny story, when they all watch Cinderella, right? 2015 one. Very good. I want to really favorite Disney movie. So, and so I just woke up one baby. I just see her eyes shut a little bit, so I say, oh, alright. So I say, not me, I'll shut my eyes and then I don't know first. Anyway, I'll shut my eye when I look. Movie done. I just wake up. Me watch the movie. Hey, you watch the movie. That's good. But what we want to talk to them about now, guys, the amount of Jamaican where they here working on this ship. You don't think it's a Jamaican cruise? The cast? Oh my God. We only got them, my friend. When them say good morning, you know, all of the cast members then greet everybody and stuff. So when I say morning, me hear me. Morning, big umbrella. You say what? That Jamaican? Me say, yeah, well, go on. Like, yeah. They come out. And then one big conversation when we come to the room. And then when we're there in the buffet. Jamaican waitress. One of the server man, them a Jamaican, you don't know. People everywhere. And then we just a meet and a greet and a talk and a link up. Yeah, only for them are from what you big up on yourself, guys. I think one of them are from St. Catherine, St. Elizabeth. But I love to see it, man. Everybody just do them thing. And it just warm my heart because God knows. Hi guys. Hi. How you feeling, baby?
Alright, I'm woke up before this one.
Oh, so you still sleep a little bit more.
5 minutes until my hair or something.
I sleep through it all. Right through.
My hair hurts. No, it's my weight. Look, we speak truth to the people, yeah?
We speak truth to the people, but everybody on the store. So when we did that do that challenge game. I'm like, how well do you know your wife? It says mine, so guys.
Check that video out,
You definitely need to check that one day out. God, that is funny. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. We are now in the Caribbean waters. Oh, it's so beautiful and blue and pretty. Oh, can't wait to dive in. So you don't know, you can see that the vlog there because we're going to a private island. Excited. So yeah, you get a vlog of yourself in a one day. That whole tour. Alright. That's a wrap.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Yes, that's it. Do it. Oh, yeah, that's what they've been doing. I don't know.
So we got some raisins, some
Alright, so this is the duck confit. Raisins, walnut, and duck. Served cold. Yep. Fancy.
Yeah, the character looks like
Mulan. Alright, so baby, what is that again? Escargot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alligators, a snail, and all that stuff. Yeah.
That's two. I had to have the chocolate donut.
French onion soup, guys. This is it.
That was the one, right? I wanted that donut.
you have to watch it.
Yeah, I know. I really do.
I think I don't, wherever they are, to them, you know.
Lamb
They got
chops,
chicken
guys.
on their land, so they'll have chicken and goat. They have chicken and
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you.
Make other goat food. That's the top part.
I know, right? Make a hole in the middle.
Alright, hands down.
And then we pour the sauce. Sauce right here. Yes. Strong tasting, guys.